That's Mike Custom Cruises, beautiful kid here. We've got a super spoke pulley, okay, 66 by 1 inch, okay. This fits a lot of bikes, mainly softails, 07 ups, but also you can obviously fit it on other bikes as well, as long as your hole spacing's right. This is your 2000 up pulley size, okay. Cracking bit of kit, very well made. DNA, as you know, very well respected firm, not AliExpress sort of stuff, if you excuse the phrase, but you know, very well made stuff. Proper CNC billet. You tell from the weight, this isn't a lightweight die cast pulley like a lot of them, just CNC. It's also chrome plated to match your bike, and the spokes, obviously these line up with the DNA or your Mammoth spoke wheels, okay. So cracking bit of kit, real bargain. These things retail about $395. We've got these on offer at the moment, which we can only just buy them for that, to be honest. We've got a couple left, 145. Okay, if you're interested, give us a bell, 01773835666, customcruises.com, or the new site hopefully will be done in bloody August now. It's been going on March, April, May, June, July. 250,000 products are in. It's just getting the navigation sorted, which seems to be taking a long time. But if you're interested and you know us, ignore all this Trustpilot bullshit. If I don't get a chance to get back to you, it's because I'm too busy. At the moment, there is only me and Tina here, okay? There is some good staff, but it's got to be somebody who knows what they're doing. And we've been there before with people that don't. So we are very wary about who we take on, okay? You best bet email me. Don't use social media, WhatsApp and all these other bloody messengers and Facebook, this and that. Please just email sales@customcruises.com. I can print it out and then I can answer it, write on it, and me and Tina can sort it, okay. But texting me and WhatsApping and all this other stuff, WhatsApp business, WhatsApp private, is a bloody nightmare, to be honest with you. Thank you. Ride safe in 25, 26 even, and hopefully see you up at the farmyard, okay. That's Helmsley, 19th to 21st of June, the best rally in Europe, as they say. Thank you.